May this legacy live on. I pray over the sons, daughters, and grandchildren that your grace, O God, will be upon their lives. There shall be no mourning in this family. No one shall die young in this family. Everyone shall fulfill destiny in a grand style. And I pray also for your son and his wife. A great name indeed that you have made of him. To stay relevant at this age is all by grace. Lord, may this grace be on the increase. I pray that his burden to see a brand new Nigeria will come to pass in his lifetime. And I pray that all that pertains to him shall be perfected. Thank you for all who have come together here today to honor this great man. Lord, honor them back in return. And thank you for this. In Jesus' name.